Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an error on Windows 11 that says that the connection has timed out. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with command prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. And now into this elevated command line window, you want to go type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back a Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Next thing you want to do is type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK space reset. Again, netsh space winsock space reset. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. Go ahead and hit enter on your keyboard. It should come back with successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and restart your device. And there you go, guys. Should be as simple as that. And hopefully I was able to resolve your problem. So, as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.